Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. A beautiful song here from two Gilmours. This is David Gilmour with Romany, and they are performing Between 2 Points. Wonderful song and fixed guitar, of course, very well when it comes to David Gilmour songs. So we're gonna start this one up. We have 4 chords, no need for any capo, so let's go over the chords. We're gonna look at the G major version of it, 7 I think, and that is to hold 3rd on E string. Then I mute the next string, which is the A. I lean this finger, my mid finger, on top of that string, and then I get open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have next E minor, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have B minor next. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be A. You could go with the aces as well. I think it does that when you listen to the sound. It happens like differences in this sounding there depending on what chord, even with the E minor as well, but we can go with clean E minor, and yeah, this is the A. You're gonna go open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, or open B if you go with the sus, and then open E. Alright, so we have that chord progression through the entire song. We're gonna learn now the strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord, that's the G major, and you're gonna play down, up, down, up, down, and then again down, up, down, up, down, and then down, up, down. So the first part is, you're gonna do it for 2 times, so, and then down, up, down. Sometimes it plays in the end down, up as well. The final up there. It's up to you. This is a little bit on feel as well. If you listen to it, it happens, like I said, differences when it comes to chords and notes added here and there. And that's the same case with the strumming as well. But this is one you can stick to and play and get very close to the original song here. So again, down, up, down for 2 times, and then down, up, or down, up in the end. So one strumming round goes like this, slowly. Or with the up in the end, it goes. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it, it goes like this. So what you're gonna do here is simply to play 2 strumming rounds per chord in the same order we learned the chords. So G major 2, E minor 2, B minor 2, and A 2. Goes like this. So there you have it, wonderful song, Between 2 Points. Give it a try. fits guitar very, very well, and it's a nice song to practice your strumming, all right? Because it's very calm when it comes to the chord switches. You don't have to work that much. It's more with the strumming hand. So yeah, if you enjoyed this, please give me a like on this one. Subscribe to this channel and support me here. I really enjoy that. So thank you, and until next time, play tuned.